Pallavi, what are you doing over here? Why are you wasting your time over here among such fools? I mean, what the hell? This party that you went to yesterday. Yeah. I just went inside the party and I see this whole crowd gathered around this one guy who looks like Hrithik Roshan. And you just walk up to him and you actually think that the evening would be interesting because there'll be some intelligent conversation, and you go for a walk with him outside of the venue, and poof, he opens his mouth and you just want to run away from there and you can't because you're already out of the venue. What the? I know. Just when you think that there are people whose looks would match their brains, you wake up and God tells you, listen, hello, you're on earth. Anyway. But then, isn't this like really a fact that it was all governed by the laws of physics? Or by the laws of philosophy? I mean, I always tell my friend Ruchi that I hate Murphy because just when you expect something to happen, it doesn't. And I really do hate Murphy. Similarly, I think whoever came up with those laws of lights and the laws of sound must actually have met I don't know how many stupid people. He must have actually researched those stupid people to come to this conclusion, and yes, and their looks, to come to this conclusion probably that they don't really talk about what they look like they would be talking about. Yeah, exactly. On the contrary, there are those who look like idiots. And when they start talking, you just can't stop thinking about them. I do have a few friends like that. They might also listen to me talk about them someday. And actually, Pallavi, you really don't know which category you fall into. Oh. So yeah, I guess just like all those laws, this one holds too. That light travels faster than sound. Because anyone who radiates all that intelligence is actually dumb. Like that guy at the party. And also like the professor who taught me history. Okay. So Pallavi, note to self. Do not trust looks. Only trust the brains of those who have already talked to you. Trust the laws of physics, but keep hitting Murphy. Keep hitting Murphy.